everyone, and welcome to a new channel on YouTube called Ray Train. This channel will star me, Rachel, Dad,
Good morning.
featuring Mom, featuring Nathan, my brother.
Ta-da!
Hi everyone, my name is Hannah. Woohoo! Ray Train will feature family travels, crafts, hauls. The travels that will be posted on my channel are things that happened in the past summer in 2018. I will post current stuff, but also mixed in will be stuff from the past summer. I hope you enjoy. Add a car by subscribing and hit the little bell notification so the train goes woo woo. Thanks for watching. Featuring Nathan, my brother, or Piggy.
Thanks.
Featuring Mom.
It's not on.
Yes, it is. Go. No. Let me try. Okay, here we go. The stuff. You don't know. Yeah. Oh, wait. Gotta fix my hair, make it look perfect. Okay. Okay.
Supposed to say?
Dad! Just like wave.
Good morning.
Okay, let's do that again. Ready?
You should try that again.
Is that exciting? That was forced.
Maybe just say hi.